So I'm going to pop on this wig I made specifically for this look. Can we talk about how cute this wig is though? I made this wig using Nadula Hair's Brazilian body wave. I have 3 bundles in 12 inches I believe, with the matching 12-inch closure. I completely transformed this wig because I actually ended up cutting it even more. I made sort of like that little bob you guys can see going on, the little A-line. The color is so beautiful. It wasn't as pink as I wanted it to be, but then I was like, you know what, I like it. It kind of looks like a rose gold baby pink without even trying. I'll be leaving the hair dye info, but I'm pretty sure I used Ion Color Brilliance in the shade Flamingo. So I am just obsessed with this wig. It is the cutest thing ever. It reminds me kind of like the Nicki Minaj perfume bottle right here. So yeah, I mean, I surprised myself. I mean, styling this wig and cutting it, I'm not no professional, so I thought it would look so cute. Don't look too hard because obviously it's not perfect, but I just thought the color and the overall cut was so beautiful. And obviously this hair is thick and so pretty. It's so easy to work with. I really love Nadula hair. I've tried plenty of their textures at this point to know that I really do like their hair. It did come in a sort of wave. As you guys can see, I straightened it super sleek and super beautiful. So I will be leaving all links to Nadula hair in the description box if you guys are interested in more of that. I do have some coupon codes as well. So I'm quickly going to pop this on and complete this super pretty monochrome look. So let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the face. So I'm going to apply some color to my bottom lash line now. I'm using that same hot pink color from the Juvia's Place palette. I did already pop some lashes on. I will be leaving again everything in the description box if you're interested in these. So I'm going to buff out that pink color with this. It's my Ray Ray little small blending brush. And I'm using the same hot pink color. I literally only use like 2-3 shades for this look, so it's obviously very simple. I'm going to apply those cute little gems in the middle of my eye as well at the bottom. I just thought it added a little extra cuteness. So for highlight, I'm actually taking my Fenty Beauty eyeshadow, and I'm applying that in the inner corner, the brow bone, as well as the highest places of my face, cheekbones, chin, temples a little bit. As I was applying this ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Trouble, I realized it was way too light for me, so I ended up fixing that and applying the lip gloss in shade Caramel, also by ABH, and that pretty much completes this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.